You get the cash, I get the car. The debt is paid.
It's settled. You know, this used to be pristine. Now look at it, just waiting for some life to come back.
The connection should just snap into place. There you go, perfect. Now let's test these lights.
This thing is heavy. Look at the rust on that hood. Yeah, we've got some work ahead of us. Time to tackle this mirror. Well, there she is. Look at that block. Nice. Found the problem? All right, let's take a look in here. Oh man, that's rough. All right, we're almost there. Just a little more. Okay, watch your side. It's coming down now. Got it, looks good. Keep working on that spot. The grime is really set in there. All right, shifting over. Good, focus on the firewall section next. It's getting cleaner. Hold it there. I need to get this screw started. Got it? Looks good. Just need to get this last one. Perfect. Now just give it a push to be sure.
Heart of the beast, where the miles were earned.
The seat is in really rough shape. As you can see, the leather is brittle and the foam is just crumbling apart.
All right, let's get this foam secured. Line it up evenly.
Right. Yeah.
Push down firm and now staple the edges. The next step is carefully separating the old leather cover from the foam and frame, making sure not to damage the seat structure underneath. You can see where it's already starting to come back to life. I just keep moving it back and forth, hitting those spots that need a little more help. Just be careful. Welcome to the interior of this iconic classic. The black leather seats, original gauges, and wood grain console are immaculate.
All right, we've got the foam in place. Now we're going to pull this black material back over and smooth it out. Looking good. This is a restored dashboard from a vintage muscle car. Notice the original details of the gauges and the pristine vinyl texture. Decades of neglect. A true barn find, frozen in time. The dashboard had been sitting for years. We started by wiping away the dust. The gauge is cleaned up nicely. Now, to test the switches.
All right, here we have the vintage dashboard assembly for the 67 Coronet. We'll start by testing the gauges and switches to make sure they're fully functional. All right, scene 68. This vintage console, we're testing the shifter action. Smooth pullback. Now forward. Perfect. Cut.
Your desk. Now that the console is prepped, we're going to use a fine grit sanding sponge to smooth out the faux wood grain insert. We need to take our time to
Presented here is the meticulously restored center console, featuring a sleek black leather base and a rich, polished wood grain top panel.
All right, just pop this open and we can access the back.
Just pop this open and we can access the back. All right, time to take this beauty out. Engine check, looking good. Shift into drive, perfect. Let's roll. This scene demonstrates the door closing mechanism of the classic Charger. Let's watch as it completes its motion.
All right, that's secure. No more rattling from this side.
right, time to tackle the headlights on this beauty. The wiring needs to be just right, or we'll have issues.
Now, carefully press the weather strip firmly into the chrome rain gutter, ensuring a tight seal from the front corner to the back.
All right, time to install the Charger emblem on this beautifully restored Classic. Let's make sure it's perfectly aligned. The paintwork on this Classic beast is absolutely impeccable. Just listen to the finish, smooth as glass.
이번에 change the set rather than change.
And that's the last detail. This black beauty is ready for the road.
This isn't just a car, it's Dom's. A piece of history, an icon forged in steel and speed, always ready for the next run.
Welcome to a closer look at this legendary black muscle car. Beneath the hood lies a pristine, chrome-laden engine, meticulous